Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, December 17th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Unbelievable volatility today. Can't believe it. I can't believe how we had such a fantastic day today. I mean, this was just an insane market. Dow went up 224 points yesterday. It fell 253 points today. Took back all its gains from yesterday and added a few points on top of that. How we made money today, I don't know, but we had a fantastic day. You may recall we had $27,000 in open trade equity yesterday on the close. This morning, this thing opens up. The equity went up to about $55,000, then it started pulling back, but we got out with $45,000 plus in closed out trades. All those, 25 some positions, I forget exactly how many, almost all of them were positive. Yeah, we took out $45,000 in profits this morning. And then we got into a few things as this thing is dropping and dropping and dropping. And unbelievably, we actually have $500 in open trade equity going into tomorrow. I don't know how we managed not to be showing just blood red on this sell-off, but we did. We're okay, So $45,000 out in profit, $500 we carry. Pretty darn good, I would have to say. I'll show you some of the trades. I mean, I get way too many trades to show you. This first one is in Advaxis, and we had gotten into this yesterday. Look at this gap, huge gap we bought. Nobody will buy a gap like that but us, folks. We buy gaps. We make money by buying gaps. Most of these newbie traders come in here and they're day traders and they see a gap like this, they short it. They think this is a good shorting opportunity. Of course, they got their head handed to them. This thing gapped up here today and we got out. Now this doesn't look like a whole lot because of this huge gap. We took over $5,000 out of Advaxis on when we got out here. It keeps going. We get back in, and we've added another $600 to that trade. Very powerful indeed. Advaxis, I remember not too long ago, this thing was up over 40 and it collapsed in one day. So right now, I'm not too worried about this. This thing's got a long ways to go. I'll buy it anytime. Okay, I'll show you another one here. This is Solar City. We have had just unbelievable movement in the solar sector, and we have made unbelievable amounts of money. 4 days ago, we bought Solar City here. We sold it here. It backed off. Had this huge gap. Well, we're flat. Unfortunately, again, we buy back gaps. Nobody buys that gap but us. We buy it. It keeps going. It keeps going. And it gaps up again this morning. Folks, these two trades in 4 days, we take out over $18,000. That's what we get for buying gaps. $18,000. Beautiful trade in Solar City. And I show you one more here. Again, in the solar sector, this is SunEdison. 3 days ago, we bought this thing here. It didn't do too much for us, but it gapped up hugely yesterday. We're in it on the gap this time. It keeps going. It closes with, fantastic profits. Yesterday, it gaps up again. It pulls back just a little bit, but we get out with $14,000 in SunEdison. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Folks, these are wild days. I just knock on wood. I hope they keep going. Nice to have just before Christmas. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on